Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 18 September 2024. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Please note that the content does not reflect our opinions and is just a reflection of news items in public media. A new book titled Character Limit: How Elon Musk Destroyed Twitter by New York Times reporters Kate Conger and Ryan Mack delves into Musk's acquisition of Twitter, now rebranded as X. The book provides an in-depth analysis of the $44 billion deal, drawing from court documents, internal memos, and interviews with over 100 individuals close to Musk. Since the takeover, Twitter has undergone significant changes, including a shift in content moderation policies and the introduction of paid blue checkmarks. These changes have led to a decline in advertising revenue and a drop in company valuation, now estimated at under $20 billion. The book highlights Musk's impulsive nature as a key factor in his decision to buy Twitter, driven by his dissatisfaction with the platform. It reveals that Musk's family even considered staging an intervention due to concerns about his mental state during the acquisition process. The integration of Musk's team with existing Twitter employees was marked by distrust and physical separation, leading to a chaotic work environment. While some employees appreciate the speed of decision-making under Musk, many former users feel alienated by the platform's new direction. The book also touches on Musk's controversial decisions, such as reinstating accounts of extremist figures and his personal life, including fathering children with different partners. Looking ahead, the authors predict that while X may not grow its user base, it will continue to play a significant role in political discourse, especially as the 2024 elections approach. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Join us next time for more updates on everything Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.